The existing conditions were really pretty bad along the Chickies Creek. We had high vertical banks that just eroded with all the storm events. The Streambank restoration project include a lot of excavating and grading, installing in-stream fish habitat and streambank stabilization structures to minimize continued erosion of the stream banks. And then all of that riparian corridor is planted with native deciduous trees and shrubs so that as they grow, the root system will anchor the soil and prevent, continued erosion. One of the features of doing a stream bank restoration is to connect the stream channel with the floodplain. So what is supposed to happen is during heavy rain events, the water will rise up and then spread out over the floodplain. And what that does is decrease the speed of the water flowing and also helps settle out some of the sediment deposits. So now during storm events, you should see wide areas of this park underwater, and that's a good thing, and that's what's supposed to happen. Probably within 3 to 5 years, as these trees start growing, providing shade, and as some of the meadow plantings and shrubs start to establish, you're really going to see an increase in native wildlife, birds, bees, butterflies, and it's just really going to be an exciting area for the Manheim Borough. This is a highly used area. We have the high school, we have the Manheim Farm Show building, as well as the pool, and it's just such an asset now for the borough, and it's really exciting to be able to implement a project like this.